Hi, my lovely friends. Welcome back to Awesome Stories. Our story today is titled Bear Can't Wait by Karma Wilson and illustrated by Jane Chapman. On a bright sunny day, Bear paces to and fro. He fusses and he fidgets. Why is time so slow? For so many weeks, I have planned a surprise, but it's not till tonight, Bear says with a sigh. He looks toward the sun, but the day's just begun. But the bear can't wait. Gopher, Mouse, and Mole all stroll down the trail with goodies packed up in an old tin pan. Mouse squeaks, "Stoke the fire! Get ready to bake! Gopher's dug carrots for a sweet carrot cake." Gathered in the den, they cook for a friend, but the bear can't wait. Badger stops by to help them get ready with a basket full of berries and a sack of confetti. Raven brings a candle and Owl brings flowers. Bear asks, "Is it time?" But there's still 2 hours. Bear frets and he fiddles. He wiggles and he twiddles. Since the bear can't wait. "Chip chop, get to work," Mole says with a clap. "There's cake to be frosted and presents to wrap." Bear raises his paw. "Let me do the cake." He rushes in to help when he trips by mistake. "Oh no!"
Boom! Bang! Splat!
The cake is squished because Bear couldn't wait.
Uh-oh!
Bear sees his mess, and with tears in his eyes, he says, "Now I've done it. I've wrecked our surprise. Oh no." Mouse squeaks, "Maybe not. We still have an hour. Go, get more carrots and honey and flour. There is much to be done. Hurry, Bear, run." And the bear doesn't wait. Time is almost up, but Bear is very fast. They bake a new cake even better than the last. They hustle and they bustle while they decorate the den, and just when they finished, they all hear Ren. "Hurry and hide, he's almost inside."
The bear can't wait.
Underneath his quilt, Bear hides with a grin. He tries not to giggle when Hare hops in. They all shout, "Surprise!
Ah! Happy birthday, Hare!
We planned you a party as a gift," says Bear. "There's presents and cake, so let's celebrate." And the hare
can't wait. The end.
Hey friends, did you enjoy that story? We sure did. If you had fun reading with us today, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.